The footage follows a group at a park rumored to be the lair of a terrifying figure known as the long-mouthed lady, who supposedly follows and changes people she encounters. They launch a drone to glimpse her, hoping to confirm what she does to victims. The team spots a figure in a blue cloak that could be her, but she remains elusive, sometimes appearing to stalk from behind trees and corners. As the drone pursues, the narrator describes the unsettling sight of someone who has been stretched bones and limbs grotesquely elongated, suggesting the long-mouthed lady's power to distort those she touches. The crew debates whether to approach or face the danger, persistently trying to coax a face to confirm her identity, while the drone's controls and the energy around the park seem to react to the mysterious woman, complicating their attempt to get a clear view. They consider alerting police, yet fear that their distance and the cloak's concealment might prevent a positive identification. After a moment of near contact and a sudden loss of sight, they realize the long-mouthed lady is still active and may be able to affect technology, as the drone act appears to glitch when she draws closer. The next part of their investigation looms with the possibility of confronting the long-mouthed lady directly. The team scrambles to interpret the chaotic sequence, replaying clips frame by frame as tension mounts about what they might have captured. The attempted distraction with the drone momentarily buys them time, sending the trio fleeing toward the exit, only to be yanked back by the creeping sense that the long-mouthed figure has infiltrated their own vehicle. In the dim glow of the car's interior, they debate whether the park's hauntings extend beyond the physical space and into their own transport, wondering if a new risk has followed them home. The footage shows a blur of movement inside the back seat, a grotesque hush of air and metal, and then the sudden, chilling realization that the cloaked presence may have slipped into their vehicle while they were scrambling to escape. The tension spikes as they fast forward through the chaos, catching a fleeting glimpse of a gloved hand brushing the door frame, a sign that the long-mouthed figure was not simply observed, but actively concealed within their surroundings. They debate the next steps: should they contact authorities with the raw material, or try to verify the sighting themselves before presenting anything publicly. The routes the figure used to move through the landscape, and to determine if the car's interior has become a niche stage for the mystery. The night ends with a chilling ambiguity, a reminder that the park's reputation might be more than merely folklore, and that the line between witness and subject has begun to blur in their own footage. The final frames leave the audience with a sense that the investigation is far from over, and that the long-mouthed lady could be closer than anyone realizes.